Hey guys, King's Island Fanboy here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking up on Orion construction. King's Island has set up the live cams. We're here back just in Google Slides just so I can point things out and make things easier. So yeah, we're here and we're gonna be pointing some things out. Orion construction has gone vertical, and it looks like the first piece of track is just gone in or is going in right now. So that's pretty awesome. We got some track in. The station looks like it's coming on quickly. They did just start construction on after Labor Day, so construction has been going great. They've been moving along very quickly because we just got the first piece of track in. So that's awesome that construction is going along so well. And so yeah, we got some track in. Our construction is vertical. We got station's almost done stuff. So that's awesome that they're doing this stuff so fast. So yeah, that is very awesome that Orion construction is going so well, and it's just going great. It's just going great. So it does seem like the ride will open on time. Kings Island does like to open the rides on time. So with the rate they're going here, they should have the lift hill at least maybe topped off by the end of Winterfest. So we'll see then. We'll see then. So it seems construction is going along very nicely. So I'm very excited about that. Well, that's all for this video. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.